Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story The Gorilla Did It. This story was written in 1974 by Barbara Shook Hazen and it was illustrated by Ray Cruz. And I hope you really enjoy it. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. The Gorilla Did It. The Gorilla Did It. So we start our story, and I'll get up close for you. We have a little boy. He's sleeping soundly with his teddy bear. And then we have poke, poke, poke. Shh! Go away! I can't play. I'm sleeping. So the gorilla wants to play. The boy is saying, shh, go away. I need to sleep. Okay, but you've got to be quiet or Mommy will be mad. So the gorilla's very convincing and convinces him to play, but be very quiet. That looks good. Can I have a bite? So they might share a snack together. First, we'll make a city. So they're going to use their room and their imagination to make a city. Then we'll go for a ride. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Now, I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, we were not allowed to ride our bicycles or tricycles inside. What's going on there? So Mom's hearing something and she's knocking, and she's a little suspicious. But the gorilla's being very quiet right now. Who made this mess? The gorilla did it. What gorilla? The gorilla on my bike. He didn't mean to. It was an accident. So, do you think Mom believes that there is a gorilla? Or do you think she thinks he's just trying to get out of trouble? But there really is a gorilla. Just look, there's food all over the floor and grape juice under the radiator and all your clean clothes are a sight. Don't tell me a gorilla did all this while you were sound asleep. I wasn't asleep. He wouldn't let me. Now you listen to me and listen carefully. I'm going out to the kitchen. I'm going to start supper. I want you to go back to bed and think about what happened. And when you've thought it over, I want you to come out and tell me what really happened. Okay? Okay. So, Mom definitely doesn't believe that a gorilla did this. She wants the little boy to think about what really happened and come and tell her the truth. Bad gorilla! Bad gorilla! It's all your fault. Mommy's mad at me. So now the boy who can actually see the gorilla is very mad at the gorilla because he got in trouble and it wasn't his fault. No, I won't. Why should I? Okay, but you'd better not get me in trouble again. So you can see the gorilla has an idea to do some cleaning. He's saying, come here, come help me. And at first the boy is mad. And he says, okay, but just don't get me in any more trouble. A little more powder and a little more soap. Won't Mommy be surprised? So they're using the powder and the soap and the mop and really cleaning up. I bet my mom would be surprised. Hi, I'm ready. Good. Now I want you to tell me who really made that mess. The gorilla did it. So you can see that he went down to tell Mom the truth, and the gorilla stayed upstairs, kind of sleeping and laying around. And when she says, who did it? She said, the gorilla. And now Mom can see the gorilla and look at her face. Oh, unbelievable. Is that all you have to say? No. Go on. Wait, he says he's sorry and I helped him clean up. Want to see? And what? So I guess Mom really didn't see the gorilla yet. So she wants to know more. And he says that the gorilla's sorry and he helped clean up. And there's more. Dun, dun, dun. He says he's still hungry. Can I take him a cookie? And can I have one too? You're a real good mommy. So I think she's rewarding him for telling the truth, that it really was the gorilla. And he really means to be a good gorilla. The end. Now, I know that when I was little, I always tried to be a good gorilla too, but sometimes that inside gorilla goes a little bit crazy. When it does, tell the truth, help clean up, be honest, and do better next time. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed the story, The Gorilla Did It. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you are not a subscriber yet, please click the subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.